Albert Einstein once said, if you have never made a mistake, you have never tried anything new. Ndine mistake yandaita yandoda kucorrecta. Mistake iyi ndaiita pamaconversions. Patanga tichita convert from a percent to a fraction. Saka mistake iyi iri paexample number 2. Iyo yakanzi 67.5%. Saka kuconverta 67.5% to a fraction ndopane mistake yatakuda kucorrecta pari zvino. So let us read to example number 2. Example 2 iri kuti 67.5% tiri kuda kuiconverta to a fraction. So tadzidza isusu kuti percent zvinoreva kuti dividing by 100. Saka 67% or 67.5% inenge iri equal to 67.5 divided by 100. Saka tareplace pakanzi percent na over 100 sezvatailustrate patatanga this video. So what we want to do now ndezvekuti our numerator is a mixed number, our denominator is a whole number. We need to convert our numerator, the mixed number, to an improper fraction. How do we do that? Tinenge takuti isusu 2 times 67, 2 times 7, 14, to carry 1, 2 times 6, 12, plus 1, 134. Then 134 yacho plus 1, ichaita 135. So this is going to be equal to 135 over 2 all over 100. Do pane mistake yacho ipapapo. Kuti isusu tati 135 over 100 instead of 135 over 2 over 100. Because nemakaita pane mistake. Tanga tichiconverta a mixed number to an improper fraction kunumerator kwedu. 67.5 is a mixed number. As you can already see, it's mixed because we have a whole number and a fraction. 135 over 2 is an improper fraction. Saka numerator yedu should be an improper fraction. Do patakanganisa previously. So zvatakuita manje ndezvekuti takuda kuexpressa that fraction as 135 over 2 divided by 100. And I think we understand magaita daro. Then manje zvatakuita takuti isusu 135 over 2 multiplying 1 over 100. Remember pediculation. Tareplace kana tubva ku division sign tichienda ku multiplication. Saka tinofanira kumultiply by a reciprocal, or in simpler terms kupidigura the divisor. So ndo zvataita. Takuita sei? Takuda kutsvaga effector inopinda inside our fraction. Saka tikashandisa 5 for instance. Tingaita kuti 5 into 135, 5 into 13 into 2 with a remainder of 3, then 5 into 35 into 7. The same 5 inopinda 100, 5 into 10 into 2, and 5 into 0 into 0. Kureva kuti tavana 27 over 2 times 1 over 20, which is 27 times 1 to 27 over 2 times 20 into 40. So zvataita apo tati numerator by numerator, denominator times denominator. Hatina effect inopinda into both 27 na 40. Kureva kuti we are going to have our final answer is 27 over 40. 2 apinde muna 27, 3 hazopinde, anopinda muna 27 asi hazopinde muna 40. So we don't have a factor, that's our final answer. So iyo ndo mistake yataita. Hatina kuconverta a mixed number to an improper fraction, takanganwa. Pure negligence. Yanga ifanga kuva 135 over 2 over 100. Istangonyora 135 over 2. Kureva kuti 135 over 100. Kana kuti 1 and 7 over 20, it's an incorrect answer. The correct answer is going to be 27 over 40. Saka, thank you for your patience. I'm sorry for the mistake and happy learning.